Each group, what is the importance of this book? Okay.
Our main focus is on customer relationship, the customers, why they will choose us and why it can be for adults, it can be for kids, also another refreshment cakes, any type of technical or any type of.
One of you, ask him or by one, ask a question. Let's start.
The first question is, what is the value you offer to the customer?
Customer problems, will you help in solving?
What requirements will you meet for the
Shopping mall's problem, and we want to add
products or services you offer for each customer.
super shop and all types of customer we are attracting in our app.
You.
In the homeopathic or the medicinal herbs, other things. So most of your diseases are treated with the medicine.
Are your value propositions? Okay. Now it's your turn.
Yes, natural drugs. You cannot synthetic medicine developing continuous resistance to medicine for collection and preservation of the transplant.
Doctor, physician, or
Here is a complete setup. There will be pharmacists.
so you said
It is a very good.
People have their animals slaughtered, especially poultry, to their food. So the business model is basically to customer segments, the targets in the environment who are interested in being careful able. We'll be providing also to customer certification that okay, they are buying from us, and we'll be selling to retailers, restaurants, and more.
Two relationships with your customer.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, to start with, the people that too, they might want to replace chicken with egg once in a while that produce meat and other things that they would like to eat. Thank you very much.
And we empower them based on business. I'll start analyzing them one after the other. The first, we're trying to solve a problem. Basically, it's not like we're trying to meet it. One thing is, since we said it's a remote area, definitely is a far place.
The different topics he mentioned, we are talking about only. I ask you to talk about only
The plan is we're designing a building and we have
all ages.
yes, all ages.
I asked all ages. These are.
Okay, since we said it's our organization. Empower them. Wait. But they at least they start learning and start knowing something. But when
Product, so it is very important that it reaches effect. We also offer the door-to-door delivery service. Due to this website, it will be also very easy to deliver our products effectively to our people effectively and specialized.
typically satisfied drugs?
Understand that our own is not good enough. People who are going to patronize our things more.
This is what we tell you.
How?
Okay, this is because we are going
Yes.
with the pharmacy.
Yes.
We have to make our product because our product is also for that we will have to. It has
Complex, so they can be enlightened and educate our media. We have the print media, that's what we're going to do, and then we have the posters, vintage points for those who pass to see them.
The challenge, the channels. Yes, the most effective channel.
Because of the way the world is so global now, the internet. So make sure most of those things will reach almost everybody that has a say and further than any other of this. It goes far. We try as much as we can to foot the bills.
The internet is the most effective one. Thank you.